लीडरशिप असते कोणती कमिटीची
What
meeting?
committee?
Sir,
सनबर्न pollution control
I am not involved in that. And that committee has been finalized by the chief secretary.
चीफ सेक्रेटरी सर
I am not involved. I am not aware of who all are.
पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्डाचा ऑफिसर
Listen to me. If I am not mistaken, this committee was formed yesterday at about 6 o'clock. I am not aware about the details. In the course of the day, I will get to know. And maybe then I can comment them.
Alex Bhai,
I can only give you one assurance that as far as pollution board is concerned, we will ensure that the permitted decibels are not exceeded. We will ensure that at 12 o'clock sunburn stops.
12 o'clock sir
12 o'clock
sir
or 10
till
o'clock?
12 o'clock
12 o'clock.
they have got permission till 12 o'clock.
I don't know what permission they have, but I know that under the Environment Act, Government of Goa has got 15 days. Let me speak by which they can relax the rules from 10 o'clock to midnight. I know that from 24th December till 31st December, there is a relaxation of up to 12 o'clock. It is not something new, this is of the past. And as such, according to me, whoever is having a function can apply to the government or to the respective agency seeking permission up to 12 midnight. I do not know till what time sunburn has applied, but I am talking of as far as the rules are concerned, can go right up to 12 p.m.
सर पण जे डेट्स 15 दिवसाचे दीस दिले ते ऑलरेडी फिक्स झाले आसा
Fix झालो आहे.
पण तितून खंय तरी
24th
सनबर्न एक्स्ट्रा पडटा न्हू.
No. There is nothing of sunburn.
No, nothing saying, but the dates are not fixed in the
No,
15 days.
dates are fixed.
Only
I am
25th.
telling you, 24th to 31st. It is blocked till 12 p.m.
No, sir, 24th, 25th, and 31st.
24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, 31st.
So you are saying that sunburn will get till 12 o'clock?
I do not know till what time they will apply. I only know
So
that.
you all always, the government always comes to know late.
No, I am telling you openly. The rules are till 12 midnight.
Okay.
And this is not my doing. These rules are there for years now.
Okay, another issue is that yesterday you made a comment as far as driving is concerned. So how some political party members have commented on your statement.
Sam Siddesh Bhagat, I don't even know who he is. He has said that I am trying to finish the religious Catholic function. He forgets that number one, I am a Catholic. Number two, if I feel any injustice is being done to us Catholics, I will fight for the Catholics. Number three, my intention of making that statement was not only to the Catholics. My intention of making that statement was, like for example, now you're going to have, on 24th you'll have Christmas dance. On 31st you'll have New Year's dance. Stand outside these dances. I basically meant to say that functions, when they are held, we citizens should know to drink responsibly. You don't drink like a fish and then go and meet an accident. If you see these days, almost every day there are accidents. And major cause of the accidents is intoxication. Therefore, I again repeat what I said. Police should be nearby these dance halls, clubs, gymkhanas, and test people for alcohol. I know in Bombay, many of my friends will even hire a driver for that night because they want to go for that party and have a nice time. Why has this started? Because police have implemented this system wherein they check you, and if you are intoxicated, you are picked up and kept there for the night. They may not file a case against you, but you are definitely kept there for the night till you sober, and then you go. There are also agencies that provide you drivers today in Bombay. Let's start something like that here.
So तुम्ही अल्कोहोलच्या विरोधात त्यांना आम्ही बघा आगवाद म्युझियमात सुद्धा
तुम्ही
अल्कोहोल
विसरना काय that I am from the alcohol business, I am from the liquor business. But still I am saying we should learn to drink responsibly.
But serving alcohol in museums is right, you mean to say?
I don't know whether it's right or wrong, because if you go abroad, they serve alcohol in museums also. So I am not sure what is the right thing here.
So there is one more issue like
I have no comment. Because I don't know.
Because you are also holding the passport.
I don't have a passport. If I have a passport, you prove it to me. Don't make bloody stupid statements. If I have a passport, prove it to me.
Because the
Many people, you are talking bullshit right now. I'm telling you. For example, you have said I've got a passport. Prove it. Don't talk for the sake of talking. Just because you have a camera in your hand. Prove it. You don't come with your gossip from the street.
Thank you.